ladies and gentlemen. Today I want to be talking about how you've been a forex trader for a while. You know everything that literally an average forex trader is supposed to know, and you still incur losses. I mean, you know how to draw your support and resistance. You know how to check your time frame. You know what risk management is. You know what price action is. You understand some of your indicators, but still you incur losses. Why then becomes the question. And then most times, you hear people say forex is fake, forex ain't real, forex is being manipulated by some worthy assholes or whatsoever. But the truth is, that's not true. I don't see that to be true. I think there's a psychology you're missing. I think you're missing out something, and that thing becomes the issue then. That then becomes the issue. And what I want you to look at in everything that concerns your forex trading lifestyle, it's, can we just boil down to something you know? But let's break it down. How well do you manage your time frame? Is it because the trade then tells you that on a 1 hour time frame, just like this one here, that this is your resistance and this is your support, that this is your support within this range, and this is your resistance within this range, and then you think you got it all right and you're still losing out? Why? Let me tell you something, bro. Can I tell you something? Listen up. Let me scroll down to 1 to 3 minutes time frame per se. From the beginning of this forex, we're being told that each of these candlesticks represents the actions of traders in the market per time frame. Now, do you know how many billions of naira, how many millions of naira transpasses within just 3 minutes? Are you looking at the decisions people are making and how much this is worth in the forex market? Do you know what it takes and what transpasses within just 1 minute in the forex market? And then you're making your decisions based on 1 hour. Man, you're gonna get stuck out for real. Because even if the trade goes your direction, you're still gonna be stuck out. Yes. Because within 30 minutes, just 30 minutes, 1 hour, people are making millions of decisions all over the world. Decisions based on financial reaction. They react based on, their decisions are based on the finance becomes a reaction. Somebody says, let me buy. In a second, within a twinkle of an eye, he's already budgeting, he's already buying over 1 billion plus. Within a twinkle of an eye, company is already selling 1 billion plus, and you think you can scale through in such market, even if you know what you're doing. See, if I must be realistic to you, time becomes of essence. Time is the most essential thing. Even in life, do not play with it. Time. After you've known everything you think you need and you're still failing out in the market, then let's look at your timing. Are you really in time? Because I would want to say something. Here. In a 1 minute time frame, do you know your risk is lesser? This is a trade I'm already on, and I'm already out. I went over $30 tries, and that was about the balance was actually $100, and it went to over $200, and that was over 100%. And I want to use this as an example. If this is a 1 minute time frame, and then if this was to be my risk reward ratio, okay, let me okay, so if this was to be my risk reward ratio in this trade, and I'm to come in this trade, and I'm to enter this trade from here, just listen up. I want to show you something, why time is of essence. And I'm going to enter this trade here, and paraventurally this trade is not going towards my direction. My losses from this axis to where my stop loss is very minimal. Do you know that? Do you know if I'm using just $10 to place this trade and I lose, it's just but a few cents. It's barely gonna be up to $1. And then let's equate this to when we are now trading on a 1 hour. Let's equate this to when we are trading on a 1 hour time frame. Let's say this is it. Okay, let's say we're to catch this trade when it was on the resistance. Let's say we caught this trade within this range. Very nice. Okay, and then we are aiming, probably our take profit is gonna be here, and then probably a stop loss, let's say 1 to 2 risk reward ratio. Good. You could say this whole trade is good, but bro, you could be stocked out. And if you're going to be stocked out, what's the loss margin you're going to incur? That's what you should ask yourself, because losses are constant. Definitely they will take you at both in the smaller time frame or in the bigger time frame. But what then happens if you've been taken out? I mean, if I'm on a 1 hour time frame and I'm being taken out within this trade, I'm going to be losing up to $1 or more, or probably $2. You see why time is of essence. But if this setup was to be on my 1 minute time frame, I'm just going to be taken out by the cent. Instead, I would advance. You double up your lot size, maybe increase it but a bit, maybe make it 2 if you're trading on 1, maybe make it 3. But time should be of essence. So you should work more on the lower time frame than any other time frame if you should. Okay, and this was a trade I actually placed on the last video I did, and actually hit my TP. That's a nice one. Shout out to me, guys. Actually doubled the account I was trading. Good luck to me. And then I want you to put this into practice and see how you're going to improve in this 2025. Love you, bro.